Mercy. Again, here are the principal sponsors. Judge Mr. and Mrs. Marvin Anseto, Engineer Geraldo Tawas, Mr. and Mrs. Garrett Dayason, Mr. and Mrs. Robert Tomas, Sinarangdandan, Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Tondo, Honorable Celestino Domas Sr., Mr. and Mrs. Johannes Gupaal, Mr. and Mrs. Mendel Tugayon, Mr. and Mrs. Arsenio Boat, Mr. and Mrs. Froilan Vela, Mr. and Mrs. Michael Baluga, Mr. and Mrs. Vincent Faron, Mr. and Mrs. Albert Gupal Jr., Mr. and Mrs. Reynald Domingo, Mr. and Mrs. Cesar Lusayon, Mr. and Mrs. Jaime Gupaal, Mr. and Mrs.